Hello everyone, this is another tutorial from WordPress theme development series. Today we will start our WordPress theme development, and to start this let's start our Laragon. Laragon is a local host server software. I have made another video on how to install Laragon. You can watch this in the I will share the link of that video in the description as well. Let's start Laragon. Java Apache is started, database is started. Let's start. In Laragon, you can quickly create a WordPress website by clicking right click right on this window, or you can go to this right side icon, right click here, quick app, and WordPress. Let's close this. Okay, let's name this start. Let's say demo create. It will give our website a new name with demo.test. It will create a website, WordPress website with the name demo.test. Let the download process complete. It will create database by itself automatically. This is the best part of Laragon, that it downloads the WordPress itself, put it in the www directory and creates a database. We just have to fill in the initial details. So it's already downloaded. Now extracting, which you can see here. We will go to our C Laragon www directory. You can see we will have a demo, a directory with the name demo. Now it's complete. There it is. So all the WordPress files are here. Let's and close. Let's go to this demo.test. We will now get an installation screen, WordPress installation screen. Let's install WP demo. You can name it, you can create any title, whatever you like. Add your username, password. I will confirm that I am using a weak password, and add your email ID. Right now I'm not discouraging search engines because this is on a local host. It is not going to be indexed by any search engines. Let's install. So now we have our WordPress installed here. Let's try to log in. I will put my username, password. Here it is. So okay, I will update the WordPress. There is another new latest version available, which is not downloaded by my current Laragon setup. Yeah, I will also check here because I prefer to see the front end of the websites on the Chrome browser, so that because Chrome is the most used browser, so I prefer to see the layouts and Outlook, and I prefer to work on the backends using Firefox. So WordPress is updated. I'm not going to update plugins and anything else. So let's go to our demo directory. Here we have to work in this WP content directory only. We are not going to touch WP content or any other files for now. Let's go into WP content, where we can see there is a directory plugins, themes, and upgrades, uploads. So we are going to create our themes inside the themes directory. Here you can see there are a few themes already given by default: 2019, 2017, 2016, 2020. I'm going to keep only the 2020 for now, delete the rest of them. it's still updating. Let it complete. Yes, it's done. So let us see what all the updates is saying. It must be the themes here. So I've deleted the theme, so I have to update this one theme only. 2020. It's a best practice, good practice to keep your themes and plugins updated for new features and for security updates as well. I'm not going to update my plugins because these two plugins I'm not going to use anyway. So I'm going to delete both of them. So now we can go to appearance and themes. Here you can see there is only one theme is showing 2020. So here we are going to create our new theme. Okay, let's go to okay. So till now we have used Laragon as our localhost server. We have installed WordPress using Laragon. Now I'm going to start another software, which is like IDE. I prefer to use is Atom. There are several features which I like in Atom, which I will share later on going on into this series. Okay, this is already a previous project opened here. I'm going to open my demo folder. Click on open project. You can click from the right side or you can go to file menu or open folder, and we have to open www and our demo directory. Yeah, let's select this folder, close this another one. So we have to work in this WP content directory. Let's open this themes. I'm going to create a new folder, a new directory for my new theme, which I name demo theme. Right now this demo theme directory is empty. If you go to the themes, you will see there by default name it's going to fetch that there is another theme, but it's broken because the style sheet is missing. So we are going to create all these things now. So let's first do this. We are going to add a new file which we will call style .css, and in the style.css I'm going to close the window. Style.css, we will fill these following tags which are required by default. The very first thing we are going to name the theme. So let's create demo theme URI is the URL which you want to, if you are sharing this theme or selling, you can share the. For now I'm going to just going to use my website only. Author, I'm going to use my name. Author URL, I'm going to copy the same my website URL. Actually the website is on the SSL, so I'm going to use HTTPS. this is version. I'm going to say 1.0. Text domain is something that I will explain later. Let's write it down now. Let's go to our backend again, admin panel, and see what it's going to say. Now things have changed. It is saying demo template is missing, standalone theme name as template child theme template header standard. There are a few things that are still missing. So for the first thing, it is saying that theme name is demo. Demo theme, because of the space, it was reading it as demo and the space. So description is template is missing. Either it needs a template, which we will discuss later, because right now we are going to create this as a standalone theme. So we have standalone themes need to have index.php. So we need to create a new file, index.php. Just save it, and now we'll see here. So we haven't written any code in any of these files. We just put our template, few tags which are required by default, and we created a empty file index.php, and it reads as a theme now. So right now our website looks like this when our 2020 theme is activated. When we try to activate our demo theme, it is going to show a blank page, because why? There is nothing which the theme will output here. In the source you can see nothing. So let's activate 2020 again. Okay. So there are a few more files which are required when you are creating. So let's create these files first, then we will start the coding part. So another PHP file which is required by default is functions.php. We will explain all these files in a different tutorial, or maybe in this complete series as well. When we are going to fill these files with the codes, I will be explaining each and every file. But for now, I'm just going to create these empty PHP files only. So header.php. So now we have our basic structure of the theme is created here. I'm going to use MDbootstrap. I'm going to use this framework which uses the material design along with the bootstrap framework. So we will be using this framework to design our WordPress theme. So let's download this package. I'm going to download this zip file. CSS, and I'm going to create these. these three folders here in my theme. So I'm going to copy these into theme, demo theme, and we create another directory MDB paste these there. So we are going to use this framework. So let's see the structure, how this is going to lay out our design. So this is the get started part. So this is the first part. This is the demo they have given on their site. So we are going to use this HTML in our so yes, our WordPress theme is defined in different files. Here you can see header is different, footer is different, front page, index. So all these things are going to play a part in the development of this theme. So let's go to first the header part, header.php of this website. Header is most of the themes header is the part which is consistent throughout the website, which is going to have your navigation, logo, and whatever part you want to keep consistent throughout the website. It can be changed based on the pages or the functionality of the website, but most of the time for keeping it simple we are going to use just one here header style. And to create this header part, we are going to copy the HTML part till this body tag, and we are going to paste this here. So in what we have done, we have just used a simple HTML tag for this header.php, and nothing we have done in actually we have nothing done for creating this theme right now. We have just added this header.php, this code in the header.php. We are going to add all these CSS files dynamically using this functions file, and actually these are only the things we need to use. This I will give for little reference. The title also we are going to generate dynamically. And okay, let's go to front page.php. Front page by name itself, it's going to explain that it explains itself that this is going to be the front page, you can say the home page. Home page and front page in WordPress can be different, but for now we are going to keep both same, home page and front page. We will learn what is the difference between both of them, but for now we are assuming that front page and the home page of the website is same. So we are going to add PHP tags. So in Atom you have the this type PHP, hit enter, and it's going to put all the necessary tags. Same thing happens with, like if you type HTML, it's going to fill in all this. So there are a few snippets we will add. I will explain how you can add to using WordPress theme document. So for now we are going to get header. So what this function is going to do, it will include the header.php in this front.php. Let's see this action. I'm going to activate this demo.theme, and let's see. Now we have nothing, but if you see the source code now, we can see the tags, whatever we have added in this header.php. Now we can see the output here in HTML. This is See, so what we have done, we have just created our front page.php, added this function. It fetched the code from header.php and gives us this as an output. So in the next video we will start filling these PHP files with our codes and setting up the different pages in the WordPress. So subscribe to the channel, stay in touch, stay connected, like this video.